Coming up this week on Home and Away, old wounds reopen, secrets surface, and new beginnings might just rise from the ashes. Monday, 26 May. Dana's avoiding Sunny like the plague. Meanwhile, Justin hits Leah with the harsh reality check she might not want to hear. And as for Kirby and Remy, can the cracks in their connection be repaired before it's too late? Tuesday, May 27th. Leah takes the first step and offers an olive branch. Lacey opens up, but is she ready for what comes next? And Dana and Sunny finally sit down, but while seeking closure, reopen old feelings.
If you enjoy this video, please take a moment to subscribe.
Wednesday, May 28th. Justin steps up and tries to keep Leah distracted from her troubles, but it's Cash who finds himself in hot water, clashing with the new boss, and sparks are flying for all the wrong reasons. Thursday, May 29th. A clean slate is offered, but will Cash take it? Remy's talents catch the right kind of attention. Is this his big break? And Lacey's done playing nice. She makes a stand, and it might change everything. It's a week of big moves, bold choices, and emotional reveals in Summer Bay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the drama, right here on Soap Shenanigans.